Oriana Power Limited's fiscal year 26 earnings are finally out and they are a bit disappointing. Now, here is the full fiscal year 26 performance: 1,813.6 crores of annual revenue. And if you can see the growth, it's mentioned here. Yes, 83% year on year revenue growth. Now that sounds great. 83% is a great growth rate. However, the company had guided for 2,000 to 2,500 crores of annual revenue in fiscal year 26. So they actually missed on the revenue target. Then, where are we? Yes, profit after tax rose by only 59% to 252 crores. Therefore, profit after tax margin was 13.91%. And if you come here, you will see it was 16.06% in fiscal year 2025. So, quite a big reduction in the profit after tax margin. Then, EBITDA grew by around 73.4% to 425.3 crores. So, the company missed on the revenue guidance and margins actually declined. Then let us come to their cash flows. One good thing happened here. Cash flows actually increased, which is pretty good. Now, if we come to these are the consolidated cash flows, and you can see this one from operating activities. 337 crores of operating cash flows in fiscal year 26. This was 250 crores in fiscal year 25. So cash flows, again, operating cash flows 337 crores more than net profit. So they actually got their cash flows to be more than the net profits, which is really nice, which is nice. I hope it's more than the net profits. Now, I think, yes, 252 crores. Let us see the execution. So the company has, as of March 2026, executed around 835 megawatts of solar projects. As of December, this was 575 megawatts. So 835 minus 575, that is how much of solar projects I believe they executed. They have 1 gigawatt hour plus of battery energy storage systems projects under execution. And they've already, yes, they're monetizing 500 megawatts of solar assets. So they're developing these solar assets and they're selling these off to investors, to investment firms. So 700 megawatts solar capacity under execution, and the Vision 2030, where they have this like big vision, like these many gigawatts of solar, these many gigawatts of battery energy storage systems. All of them, they are still consistent. So margins suppression this quarter. Let us see how the next quarters pan out.